They are not going to bring more refugees here, which we support, we as US citizens. But we ask this administration, you the Congress, please work together with this administration to secure the eastern part of Congo. Those kids who took arms, the M23, they are fighting for us. For those refugees, 30 years after, from 1996 to 2025, they are still waiting to go back in the home country. What do we see in Congo? There's a hate speech. They call the Tutsi, the Abanyamulenge in Congo, with those names used during the Holocaust, during 1994. They said one MP in Congo Parliament, which is the advisor, close ally to the President Tshisekedi, the Tutsi are the creature of Satan, on a public television, on social media. And today, how the United States can secure that peace in Congo? It's a dialogue. We applaud what's going on, but that dialogue should stand on one thing. The refugees should go back, be secured. Who's going to secure them? When that same government is using MP, ministers, secret services, killing, we have more than 200 prisoners. They were arrested because they have this nose. More than that. Because of this nose. Nothing. They said, you are M23. Even though it's civilian. Men have been being killed. So, how can we survive in that group? So, we can. These people were put in a ditch, ready to be burned alive. This one here, look, we missed some pictures. Did you show with the one they're eating people? The cannibalism is happening in Congo right now. But what we see, the President Tshisekedi using as a leverage to remain in power, dividing the tribe. We are Tutsi from Congo. There are more than 450, right? So, the video are all over. So, while we are here, we just want that peace. We want the refugee to go back. And the United States can do something. We know Congo has minerals. They may go and make deal with Tshisekedi. Okay, we are going to crush this M23 rebels, and then you will be secured. But these refugees, thousand there, Rwanda did something special, securing them. We were secured. But most bad is the Lord. United States, they look at my name. All these were born survivors of the killing of 166 people in Igatumba refugee camp in Burundi. So you see them over here, they are survivors. This country welcomed us to save us. Many are still in refugee camp in Rwanda, Uganda, Burundi.
And you can't block that sidewalk
Sorry, sir.
Just like the sun says, visitors, we're visiting our own space. We're here to speak about issues happening in our country. We have the right to speak about what's happening in Congo. We have the right to speak about what's happening in our country. Genocide happening to Abanyamulenge, Tutsi, Congolese. And you're denying us a space. You can't allow us to enter the building and speak to the leadership. What is that supposed to mean? Where is justice? Since you're here working, getting paid, where is justice? What do we do to you so you can embassy right now? We request that because we're citizens of the country. We're from Congo. We're Congolese. And they were being killed by the government. This must